Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with bookmarks in Officer Library. You probably know what bookmarks generally are, so I'm not going to cover that subject. I'm going to describe what bookmarks are in Word document. So you could mark certain part of your text or certain paragraph for some reference, let's say. And you are going to use that reference in various ways. So let me describe how to do that from R script. I have created this Word docx, and let me show you how that document looks like. You see, we have a bunch of paragraphs in here, and I'm going to create one more. Let's say we are going to put some number in here, 2022. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to close this document. So first we are going to load that document, and now we are going to set our cursor to that particular paragraph we just created. So let's do it. And let's check this document. I want to be sure. Our paragraph is first, second, third, fourth in line. We need to call this function 3 times. And now we are going to create our bookmark. With this function we are going to provide 2 arguments. First is going to be document, and second is going to be ID of bookmark. I'm going to name it B1, and I'm going to call this particular function. For document. And if we run this code, function docx bookmarks found our bookmark. So now I am going to write that document out. New document. And if we run this code, let me show you how that document looks like. I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to open this new document. You see this paragraph 2022, it's wrapped with these angle brackets. These angle brackets are gray and hard to see, but trust me, they are actually in here. And now I'm going to replace text from this bookmark with another text. How to do that? First of all, I'm going to select our bookmark with cursor, bookmark, document, and ID of our bookmark. And now I am going to replace text. First argument is going to be document. Second is going to be ID of bookmark, and third it's going to be replacement. So we are going to put some funny text. Let's say I don't have any inspiration for today, and if we run our code, yeah, that bookmark is in new document. And now everything is fine. And let me check this out. We are going to close this previous one and we are going to load this new content. And yeah, we have bookmark with our funny text. So this would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.